Good morning, guys. This morning we're at Pine Flat Lake. Me and my dad are participating in our first bass fishing tournament. We are getting ready to launch the boat, and we're waiting for blast off, which is at 6:30. So we'll catch up with you guys when we're on the water, and hopefully we can get on some fish and have a successful first tournament. So tag along and we'll see how it goes. Look at that beautiful view. Got the sun peeking over the mountains. Everyone's getting their boats in the water, getting ready to take off and go and catch some fish. Let's get it, guys. All right, guys, we got the boat put into the water. Cruising out to talk with everybody before we blast off. It's a cold morning. What do you think, Pops?
Cold.
We gonna hammer them?
Yep. I hope so.
Well, here we go. The start of our tournament careers. In these next two clips, there is no audio. Something had glitched out with the GoPro files, so next time I will be sure to have it fixed. Alright, guys, sorry about that. The GoPro ran out of storage, but me and Dad had a pretty good first tournament. I'd say we got about 2 3-pounders and 2 1.5s. All in all, not too bad of a day. Definitely gonna get more storage for next time so we can get all the catches on film.
Peace out.
Alright, guys, me and my dad just finished weighing in our top 5 fish. We ended up with 8 pounds and 48.49 ounces, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but for our first tournament, I'm super stoked on that, and can't wait for the next one. And yeah, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna put a clip at the end of this video of me releasing all of the fish back, but stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, guys, let's get these fish put back into the water. That's the first one. That's number 2. Number 3. This was our big fish right here, almost a 3-pounder. This is a nice one. And our 4th and final fish. Another nice spot.